Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a questionnaire in Google Forms. First, open Google Forms and select a blank form or a template to begin your survey. Give your questionnaire a clear, concise title and a brief description to inform respondents about its purpose. Use the floating toolbar on the right to add your first question and explore the different question types available. Now let's add questions. Google Forms offers various types, including multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, short answer, and paragraph. Choose the best fit for each question. You can mark questions as required to ensure respondents provide all essential information. Personalize your form's look by selecting a theme, changing colors, and choosing fonts to match your brand or topic. Before sharing, review your form settings. You can configure options like collecting email addresses, limiting responses to one per person, or showing a progress bar. Decide if you want to allow respondents to edit their answers after submission. Once ready, share your questionnaire by copying the generated link, sending it directly via email, or embedding it into your website for broader reach. After collecting responses, navigate to the Responses tab in Google Forms. Here, you'll find a summary of all submissions, complete with automatically generated charts and graphs for easy analysis. For more in-depth review, you can export all responses to a Google Sheet. This allows for advanced data manipulation and custom reporting. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals, making your life easier and more organized.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.